We are explaining, okay, fine. This is a critical thing. How to develop the React application? How many ways you can able to develop the React application? How many ways to create a React.js application or app? There are not many ways are available, but moreover, people are going to using frequently 3 ways. First one is CDN link, content delivery network. How jQuery library we are going to copy paste and we are working the jQuery, right? We are observed Bootstrap level also. We are observed Bootstrap also, right? Bootstrap level also. What we are doing? We are taking the link, CDN link, getbootstrap.com site level. We are taking the link and we are going to attach it. So that is called CDN. That kind of CDN links we are using and developing the application React. That is the one way we can see that one. Second way, npm node package manager. We need to install the node software. Even we are already installed the node software. We are executing the JavaScript, right? Without browser JavaScript, how to execute? Node. We are already observed, right? Node space JavaScript file. So that node command is how it is going to working. We are using the node.js.org site level latest kind of node we are going to install, right? So that the reason JavaScript is executed. So that node software, whenever you are going to installing along with node, you can get what? npm also, node package manager. That's one. Another kind of one is more frequently, regularly, we are using what? Node package extension, npx. npx we are going to using. So how to create CDN link through how to create React application, we are going to understand. We need to understand this one. We are going to using script tags and we are going to providing app functionality. So that is the purpose CDN through how to develop one example. We are going to see that one. That example purpose, I'm going to creating here one HTML. That HTML page is index.html. Index.html. Okay. This HTML level, first structure is required. HTML, I'm going to create the file name is HTML. That structure is required. How to get the structure? Exclamatory symbol and press enter. We can get the structure automatically. Here meta tags are not required. Remove this one. Even keep it is not a problem. Here is heading title is React CDN app. Like that, I'm going to provide the heading title, browser title. Here body level, one div tag I'm going to providing. This div tag recognition purpose, ID I'm going to providing, ID equal to, I'm going to provide the root. So React application entire code is within this division level only. I need to show, I need to display, I need to render. That is the purpose. One division I'm going to define. This division recognition purpose, we are using the ID equal to root. But here, if I want to use the React kind of functionality, if I want to show something in this particular division, what is required? I need to include the CDN links. I need to include the CDN links. Ignore that one, not a problem. That is not a problem. Okay, here we need to include. Here we need to include comments. We are going to writing like this. Here we need to write include React CDN link. CDN link. That is a JavaScript link. Sir, where it is finding that one, where it is available that one, cloudflare.com, CDN.js cloudflare.com level, it is available. It is available. You can able to take that one. Or else W3 schools level it is there, just copy paste. If you are not able to find. See, what I'm trying to explaining is here. You can go to browser react.js.org site is available. This is the site. Okay. If you want to learn theoretical kind of thing, you can go through this one. Here it is available. It is available here. How to create and nesting components to overview. This is the concepts are available here. Learn React. Here describe the UI. So something it is going to provide it here. Installation. So how to use that installation, how to use this one here step by step, it is available. Something it is going to provide it here. But if I want to use the CDN link, I'm going to using here CDN link. I'm going to search it. It is going to get that one. Otherwise, if you are difficult to find this one here, learn level, you can use directly React.js CDN link, like that you can search. Here this is the CDN link. Here it is available. CDN links are available. I'm going to open new tab. See this one. This is the links. CDN links are available here. These kind of links only we need to attach. We need to copy. So here React development.js kind of file is required, right? And even you can see, scroll down, DOM also, this kind of one also, production related kind of things also. Here CDN links are available. This is the actual React application content. So both React and React DOM are available over the CDN. So we need to copy this one. This is the production related kind of one. Only meet development and not suitable production kind of one. So these kind of links you need to copy. You need to copy this one. So just copy this one. But we are not using this approach regularly. But you need to understand that is the purpose only. 3 models, your understanding purpose only. I am going to using here, but regularly we are not using this one. But when to use this kind of one, if you are going to attending any kind of interview, sometimes people are going to providing any kind of system or laptop. That laptop level software is not there, React software is not there. Even though you need to share the screen and write something React related kind of code, that time it is very easy. You can copy paste CDN links in the HTML and write the React applications. So that is the purpose useful. That is the purpose useful. That is the purpose only we are going to writing. Okay. Once you are going to writing, my React functionality, we are going to writing HTML level script tag. We are going to using here what? One script tag I'm going to writing. This script tag level, I need to define the functional component. Component means a piece of code in the user interface. The components again we are going to discussing how many types are available, which one we are going to using frequently, that and all we are going to discussing. This is the first application, first session in the React. That there is, and don't think too much, just aware that points, how to use a CDN, but we are not using regularly. Okay, here we are going to define what? Define a functional component. Component means what? A piece of code in the user interface. Functional component means what? JavaScript function only. Function name is app. Open flower bracket and return. Here I'm going to return something. H1 I'm going to providing. Opening and closing the H1. Within that, I'm going to providing here, welcome to React.js CDN example. This one I'm going to providing. This function, where I need to display this information, this result, where I need to render this division level. So how to do that one? We need to provide here React DOM. What is that one? React DOM is rendering that one. Render method is available. That render method level, we are going to use that function app. That render function level, we are going to provide the app, comma. We need to provide here where I need to render this one. Document dot get the element by ID. What is the ID? What is the ID? Root. So here I need to provide whatever the ID is there. Here, whatever the ID is there, that ID value I need to provide here. So this is the way we are going to using what? CDN kind of one. CDN kind of one. So this one I need to open where it is available. This is the one, right? So double click on that one. I need to open and I need to show that one. Here something you need to understand that CDN links is properly it is working or not. Those kind of right kind of links I need to attach. Then only you can able to get this one. Here, what is the problem? We need to see this one. How to check the problems? JavaScript level also we are observed, right? Inspect, go to the console. Here is syntax. Where is syntax? Unexpected token. Where? Line number 16. Line number 16 level problem. Go to this line number 16. Where that unexpected kind of token is, where it is available. Here, line number, it is showing what? See here, uncoded syntax exception. Line number index is HTML 16. Go to that one, 16. Before, is there any kind of brackets are not closed properly? You can check that one. Identified anyone? People are observing or not? Here is return statement I'm using. H1 I'm opening. And we are going to closing here H1. Okay. I'm going to using here what? Welcome to React.js CDN link I'm going to provide it. After that render. Here we are going to provide the app. After that document.get element by ID I'm going to provide it here. So up to this is okay. So this function, the script is okay. Okay. So what about this one? Here we need to provide the links, right? That links level, what is the problem? We need to check here. React-dom.development.js I'm going to using. Here this is the version. DOM version. This React version. So sometimes if it is not able to load, you can use some other kind of one. Other kind of CDNs we need to use. Okay, how to get that turned on? We are going to checking. So React development.js, these two links we need to use. Okay, just to go through this one and refresh. So this is the kind of one is problem that link CDN links are not able to use. You might need to use the local HTTP server install file. Okay, download the React Dev tools for a better development experience. We are doing that kind of things in the coming sessions, but only thing is CDNs are not properly, we are not at all placed. So proper kind of CDNs are, we are not provided. So that is the reason we are going to get this kind of problem. So that CDN links, even we are going to using the version above are only meant for development and are not suitable for production kind of one. So to load a specific version of React and React DOM, replace 8 place level, you need to replace something different kind of versions, numbers you can use so that it is going to opening that one. But better working kind of CDNs we need to use. That is the purpose. I'm going to showing different kind of way, easily, quickly. Regularly we are not using, sir. Regularly we are not using this one, React.js 3 schools. If I'm going to using, those people are going to provide the CDN links. That's links I'm going to copy paste. Here, copy paste that CDN links. So here it is available, right? Try run this example. Run this example level CDN links we need to check, right? Go to the CDN links. I will try to show this one. This is not at all using regularly. 3 schools React JS CDN example. Okay, getting started. We need to check CDN link is provided here or not. React directly in HTML. Oh, this is the links. This is the links. Rebel compiler also, it is available here. So just copy these things, that links, copy and paste. We are not using this kind of way regularly. Regularly, we are not using this kind of way. So my React application is CDN app, right? It is loaded or not, we need to check this one. Yes, still it is showing some line number 17 level, some bracket it is showing that one, angle kind of bracket is showing that one, line number 17. So return statement we are going to using, return statement level we are going to providing, right? Here return is there. This is the one, right? We are going to using this kind of way. And we are going to using same to same application. Okay. And we are going to using directly instead of going to writing here React DOM we are going to using and we are going to provide it. These are multiple ways you can able to provide React render directly. I'm going to specify, but people are going to using here what content is separately we are using. That means this entire thing is we can write here. Okay, and you can provide root dot render kind of one. Okay, React DOM render I'm using. Anything you can use, not a problem. But here, if I'm going to change this one, here I'm going to providing what app, right? Here I'm going to changing what, just understanding purpose. Welcome to React JS CDN links, right? This is the way I'm going to provide it. So here, according to that, I need to change, right? App. This is the way. Here I'm going to providing what? Root, my application level. Here also I need to provide what? Root. This is the code I'm going to return. This is the code I'm going to return, right? Here. This is the application. This is the application I'm going to provide it. Only directly I'm going to provide it. Just checking purpose whether it is working fine or not. Checking purpose here. Just I'm going to modify. Yes. So here is what? Welcome to React.js CDN links. It is going to working fine. Just understanding purpose. This is the approach is not at all using. This approach is when it is useful. Interviewer is asking something. That is the cases level. We are using this kind of way header session levels. We are going to copy paste, or else interviewer is asking any kind of thing. You can open this one. How I'm going to modify it here. Whatever the interviewer is asking, that kind of code you can write here. You can show the output. That is the cases level only CDN is working. It is useful. But regularly we are using? No, we are not using this kind of approach. Which one people are going to using? Which one people are more frequently people are using? NPX model only. NPX model only. NPM, how to use also we need to understand. So React applications, 3 ways level CDN only we are observed. Next, React.js application by using NPM. How to use we are going to discussing another kind of session. Just I'm going to give the heads up. Make sure in our system level React is, if I want to develop, Node software is required. Check that one. Okay, everyone check. check and let me know whether it is installed or not, properly it is working or not. Okay, everyone is checking, node is working. How to check that one? In our system level, for example, here command prompt is already open. Okay, this command prompt level, I'm going to using what? Node space -v. So latest version 18 is running. Whenever it is installed automatically, npm space v node package manager. That is 9.5, it is there. So whenever you are able to see like this, second approach, you can able to develop. Second approach, you can able to develop. If you are not at all install this one, where I need to get this node software, where I need to get this one, go to the browser, node.js.org site. You can download this one. LTS means long-term support. You can use this one. Don't install this one. You can use this one. Download. You can get the exe file. Run as administrator, click next, to finish. Automatically, it is going to install. If it is not at all recognizing, please let me know. Tomorrow, you can share the screen. I will set the path, environment variable level, that node bin folder path. If you are going to set, you can get the application perfectly. You can able to develop that one. Okay, how to develop that one? For example, I need to create a node package manager based one application here. Open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Second model, sir. Second model is what? npm. npm through how to create. That and all we are going to see. First, you need to check in the system level. So there is a 2 lines of command we are using, npm create -react app. After that, we are going to using project name. So step by step, I will explain that one. Step 1, step 2, step 3, like that. I will explain that one. Make sure node is working or not. Remaining things we will discuss in the tomorrow. So just CDN only we are going to discuss. We are going to focusing other things also. Other things means we are going to discussing npm model. This is the only we are observed. We are going to focusing npm based one application. After that, npx we are going to focusing. Next, every day, every application based on what? npx only. What is the difference between the npm and npx also we are going to understand. Why? Because interview level people are asking why people are using npx only, why not npm? What is the problem? Interview is always, that fellow is always asking the question only, right? So we need to answer. So that observations and all we need to do. So that and all we are discussing the tomorrow. Before going to stop, any questions